There are nearly 300,000 manufacturing jobs in Washington state, with an average wage of $87,000. Many of those workers are ready to retire, and the door is opening to a new generation. Plus Aerospace can help Washington state students launch careers in this exciting industry. This 2-year manufacturing curriculum focuses on delivering real-world skills through hands-on learning. Students can start planning their path in advanced manufacturing as early as middle school. In high school, they can enroll in Plus Aerospace classes, earning multiple credits and potentially satisfying graduation requirements in career and technical education, math, science, and English. When graduation comes, they will have more options and will be ready to pursue a job in manufacturing, an apprenticeship, or college programs in applied science, engineering, and more. Many employers will even help pay for additional education and training. Let's help more students launch their careers in advanced manufacturing. Visit coreplusaerospace.org to learn more.